Raindrop on my car window. Capture miniature spheres of street lights and colors moving like a beguiling, regrettable memory. My deep, abysmal blues, fumbling words and falling hard for your smoldering, burning reds, hot to the touch. Like a moth dying in a flame. It was all too eager to be consumed, together becoming one horrifying haze of iris, indigo, obsidian. It was all too eager to be consumed, like a moth dying in a flame, hot to the touch. Your smoldering, burning reds, fumbling words and falling hard for my deep, abysmal blues, beguiling, regrettable memory. Capture miniature spheres of street lights and color moving like a raindrop on my car window.